Tanveer Bashir. I have done MD Pediatrics and DNB Neonatology. So today we are inaugurating our 6-bedded NICU. This will be the first NICU in private sector. It's a tertiary care NICU where we are starting with high-end ventilation. We have brought a ventilator which has basic ventilation and also high-frequency ventilation, which will be a new thing in our Kashmir Valley. And we have also brought CPAP machines, 3 CPAPs, because we believe in non-invasive ventilation, which is preferred more in neonates nowadays, and other phototherapy machines, monitoring equipments, and we'll be giving a TPN to our babies. So we look forward to serve the people of Kashmir.
It's very nice that NICU has been started at Noora. We will be delivering high-risk pregnancies in this hospital. We used to refer patients to government sector, but non-availability of the beds, we used to have fetal loss there. So they have started NICU. We are hopeful that we'll be able to conduct our deliveries in a best way and for fruitful outcome.
Our government sector is overburdened, so we have to look for alternatives, and alternative is private sector. And nowadays government is also promoting private public partnership. That is the reason they have come up with that scheme in which they will be financing the poor people in private sector.
Babies who would not survive, ventilators will take care of that, and babies will have a good survival. यहाँ पे better care मिलेगा, better nursing care मिलेगा, because neonates have to be looked after very carefully, and they will have a senior consultant here who will take care of the मतलब जो भी complications होगी उनको during neonatology they will be taken care.
Resident doctors and full-time nurses, and we will be maintaining the nurse-patient ratio, because in NICU, nurse-patient ratio is what matters as far as the outcomes are concerned.